Traveling with a toddler is all about memories, but hunger leads to crankiness. I'll share the best travel foods to pack for a 3-year-old baby in India, healthy, mess-free, and easy to carry. Let's begin. Toddlers need balanced meals while traveling, but food must be easy to eat. That's why I've compiled this list of travel foods to pack for a 3-year-old baby in India, perfect for parents and little ones. A long journey ahead? I always pack a batch of homemade cookies. They're mildly sweet, filling, and keep my little one happy without creating a mess. One of the best travel foods to pack for a 3-year-old baby in India. The Pla is my travel hero. It stays fresh for hours, has mild flavors, and pairs well with curd. I make sure it's not too spicy, so my toddler enjoys every bite. Soft sandwiches with cheese or finely chopped veggies are lifesavers. I use whole wheat bread and cut them into bite-sized pieces, easy to hold, no fuss. Idlis are my go-to for travel. Soft, non-messy, and full of flavor. I add a hint of mild spices to make them more interesting while keeping them easy to digest. A quick and light meal, vegetable poha keeps my little one full without feeling heavy. It's soft, easy to chew, and packed with veggies for added nutrition. Lemon rice adds a refreshing twist to travel meals. I keep it mild, ensuring it's flavorful but not overpowering for tiny taste buds. A mix of bite-sized fruits keeps my toddler engaged and hydrated. I pack apple slices, banana rounds, and grapes in an airtight box for an instant energy boost. Crunchy, colorful, and nutritious. I pair cucumber and carrot sticks with a thick hung curd deep, fun to eat and packed with goodness. Protein-packed boiled eggs are a must-have. I peel them in advance and cut them into halves, making them easy for little fingers to grab. Soft and delicious, paneer bhurji is a great travel-friendly protein source. I keep it mildly spiced and pack it in a small container for easy spoon feeding. Light and crunchy, roasted makhana is a perfect travel snack. It's non-greasy, mildly salted, and keeps hunger pangs away. A tiny powerhouse of energy. These laddus, made with dates and nuts, give an instant boost without any sugar rush, great for long trips. For a quick munch, roasted chana is my go-to. High in protein and easy to store, it keeps my toddler full between meals. Soft parathas with mild stuffing, paneer, potato, or veggies, rolled up for easy handling. No mess, just pure satisfaction. Sweet, soft, and fluffy. These banana pancakes don't need syrup and stay fresh for hours, perfect for little hands and big appetites. A simple, mildly spiced carrot rice dish adds color and nutrition. I make sure it's soft and easy to eat on the go. Comfort food while traveling? Mild vegetable khichdi works wonders. Easy to digest, packed with veggies, and soothing for little tummies. Light, crunchy, and mildly sweet, murmura balls are a fun snack. They don't crumble easily, making them perfect for mess-free eating. A cooling and tummy-friendly option. I carry fresh curd in an insulated jar, perfect for mixing with rice or enjoying as a snack. Crispy on the outside, soft inside, potato fries are a travel favorite. I make them at home using minimal oil and light seasoning, making them a perfect choice from travel foods to pack for a 3-year-old baby in India. Easy to hold, fun to eat. Soft, fluffy, and just the right amount of sweet, homemade cupcakes make travel special. I bake them with whole wheat and natural sweeteners, ensuring they're healthy, mess-free, and loved by little ones. A toddler's diet should include a mix of carbohydrates for energy, proteins for growth, and fiber for digestion. But while traveling, the key is choosing non-messy and easily digestible foods. Food spoilage, picky eating, and mess are common travel concerns. But with the right choices, you can keep your little one happy and well fed. Food can make or break a trip, especially when you have a toddler. With the right choices, you can enjoy your journey without worrying about hunger tantrums. I hope this guide on travel foods to pack for a 3-year-old baby in India helps you on your next adventure. Let me know your go-to travel foods in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel-friendly meal ideas.